Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make the strobe border text effect in CapCut PC. So first, I'm going to select the white screen and select text, select default text, and you can adjust for the duration as sunlight, the duration of the text, and change for the text. Then change for font color, and you can resize and change for the font style. Select animation, select blue, and you can find the strobe border right here. Just download and add to the track. Go. So this is the final effect you have on your text. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.